Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by using a USB-C to HDMI adapter and a high-quality HDMI cable. Connect the adapter to your phone and then plug the HDMI cable into the TV. Turn on the TV and switch to the matching HDMI input using the remote control. If your phone supports USB-C DisplayPort Alt mode, the screen will mirror immediately. For older phones, use a slim port or MHL adapter with power injection. Keep cables under 3 meters for reliable signal and reduced lag. For wireless options, choose Chromecast for app casting or Miracast for full screen mirroring. Plug the Chromecast into the TV, set it up on your home Wi-Fi network, and open the cast option in supported apps. For Miracast, enable wireless display in Android settings and select your TV from the device list. Wireless performance depends on your router, and 5 GHz band gives lower latency. Keep your phone within 10 meters of the router for the best connection. If you have an iPhone, use AirPlay to mirror to an Apple TV or compatible smart TV. Open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose the target device on the same Wi-Fi network. If the TV lacks native support, install the manufacturer casting app or use a streaming dongle. For persistent issues, update both devices, restart them, and disable VPNs or strict firewalls. When wireless lag or buffering persists, switch to a wire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.